Bert's Mega Mall, one of the largest Polaris dealers in the United States. They specialize in custom Polaris and accessorized Polaris RZers. These are Polaris R2 RZRS. They've got over 14 inches of suspension travel, over 85 horsepower. Bert's offers financing and trades, and they're always welcome to stop by and say hello anytime. White flag. And a checker. Bert's Mega Mall, right up on Azusa. These are the Polaris. They've got 85 horsepower when they come from the factory. Bert's offers you financing, and trade-ins are also welcome. Stop by anytime and say hello, Bert's. Oh, roll bar check. Roll bar check. Flip him over on his wheels. Just turn him over. That's it. Gently. Yeah, right. Take a bow for a great move. Bert's Mega Mall. Thank you. Bert's Mega Mall, the largest Polaris dealer in the United States. You want to get one of them puppies, and you want to get the one with the light poles on it, too. That's cool.